Chatbots talk, teachers test, and today our AI crosses this line. This is the moment it stops being a chatbot and starts becoming a real learning agent. And what I mean by this is that so far our agent can read. It can chunk, it can find the right information, and it can explain it back to you. But this doesn't matter if you can't verify understanding. And that's what we built today, the quiz engine. So we are at day 5. The pipeline would look like this. We read, chunk, retrieve, explain, and then quiz is best described here in the main function. And today we go beyond text. We generate the data, we validate it, make it clean and structure it. We are not asking the AI for paragraphs, we are asking it for a quiz object, something our app can use directly. And we use two different ideas. The first one would be the structured output. So if you've worked with LLMs long enough, you know this pain. You ask for JSON and you get JSON-ish or Markdown or an apology. And this breaks everything in your pipeline. So LangChain gives us a cheat code. It's called LLM with structured output. And this single line of code changes everything because it forces the model to output a valid structured data every single time. The second idea that I want to focus on is where we define the shape of the quiz with Pydantic. This is the blueprint. As you can see, this quiz question class, what we have here is a description that becomes part of the prompt. They tell the LLM exactly what belongs in each field. This is type safety in action, the backbone of reliable AI application. So yeah, here is the full stack now. Let's go back to our main file. The quiz engine uses the exact same reg pipeline, but instead of explanation, it produces multiple choice questions. Let's go over the output that we got. I generated this before, so we don't waste time. In this video, you can see the same steps. We load the text, we chunk it, we retrieve the right paths, and generate a quiz based entirely on those chunks. So 2 chunks, cards bouncing, and the questions it produces were shockingly accurate. 3 questions, 4 options each, correct answers, explanations, all grounded in real context. For example, we have what is a key feature of a LangGraph, and the answer is B, the correct explanation. The best part is that the output is not a string, it's a Python object. You've seen this when printing the quiz using quiz topic and quiz correct answer and quiz explanation. You can save it, display it, store it, send it, and nothing breaks. Today we leveled up. Our AI isn't just talking anymore, it's generating structured data. And that's the moment a chatbot becomes an agent. So now our AI can explain and it can test your understanding. But what if it could help you remember long term? Tomorrow in day 6, we build a flashcard generator with spaced repetition and memory. This is where learning becomes personal.